What if the secret to smoother skin, stronger joints, and better hormone balance wasn't hidden in expensive skincare products or trendy supplements? What if it was already in your kitchen, right there in your fruit basket, quietly offering powerful benefits you never realized? Collagen is the essential protein that keeps our skin firm, our joints flexible, and our blood vessels strong. But starting in our mid-20s, collagen production naturally slows down. By middle age, we start to see the signs: wrinkles, sagging skin, joint stiffness, and changes in hormones that can affect how we feel every day. Many people rush to buy collagen powders and supplements, hoping to turn back the clock. But what if a simpler, more natural solution has been here all along? Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, has used specific fruits for centuries to rebuild collagen and balance hormones from the inside out. And now, modern science is confirming what TCM has always known. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, natural collagen boosters, and hormone-supporting compounds. In this guide, we'll uncover 5 collagen-boosting fruits that are not only delicious, but also powerful tools for healthy, graceful aging. Top 5 collagen-boosting fruits backed by traditional Chinese medicine. Number 1. Goji berries. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, goji berries have been treasured for centuries as a powerful tonic to nourish the liver and kidneys, improve blood health, and enhance vision. But modern research now shows that these tiny red gems offer far more than folklore suggests. Goji berries are loaded with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and carotenoids, both of which are directly linked to collagen synthesis and skin protection. Their signature compounds, lithium barbarin polysaccharides, have been shown to stimulate the body's natural collagen production and protect existing collagen from oxidative damage. Goji berries also have a unique role in balancing hormones, particularly by supporting adrenal function. In TCM, they are believed to help restore kidney essence, which is closely tied to energy, longevity, and reproductive health. What makes goji berries stand out is their versatility. They can be steeped in hot water to create a gentle, nourishing tea, tossed into smoothies for a collagen-friendly boost, or simply eaten as a chewy, sweet snack. When consumed regularly, they may help improve skin texture, support joint health, and protect against age-related collagen decline. By combining the wisdom of TCM and modern nutritional science, goji berries emerge as a natural, accessible way to support collagen and overall hormonal harmony, one handful at a time. Number 2. Figs. In traditional Chinese medicine, figs are known for their ability to support digestion, gently regulate the body's internal systems, and promote hormonal balance. They are often used to moisten the lungs and intestines and to nourish the body's vital fluids. From a modern perspective, figs are a powerhouse of polyphenol, natural fibers, and essential vitamins that help regulate blood sugar and encourage healthy gut function. A healthy gut is crucial for proper nutrient absorption, especially the amino acids and vitamins needed for collagen production. Figs also contain plant-based compounds that may mimic mild estrogen-like activity, offering subtle hormonal support that can benefit women during menopause and men during age-related hormonal shifts. This gentle balancing effect is especially valuable because it doesn't overstimulate. It simply supports the body's natural rhythms. Incorporating figs into your diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, enjoying them as a fresh snack, or using them in natural desserts. Their sweet, rich taste makes them incredibly satisfying while delivering meaningful anti-aging benefits. Whether you enjoy them fresh or dried, figs work behind the scenes to support smoother skin, stronger digestion, and steady hormonal health, a trifecta that can help slow the visible signs of aging from within. Number 3. Peach gum. Peach gum, known as Tao Jiao in traditional Chinese medicine, has long been prized for its ability to nourish and replenish the body's fluids. Often referred to as a plant-based collagen, peach gum is actually the resin that naturally seeps from peach trees and hardens into beautiful amber-like crystals. What makes peach gum remarkable is its naturally high concentration of polysaccharides and amino acids, 2 essential building blocks for collagen synthesis. In TCM, peach gum is traditionally used to promote skin hydration, enhance skin elasticity, and improve blood health. It's believed to support overall beauty from the inside out. Modern analysis has confirmed that peach gum helps retain moisture in skin tissues and provides structural support similar to what dietary collagen does. It's particularly effective in improving skin texture, reducing dryness, and promoting a healthy, plump complexion. Peach gum is typically soaked overnight and slow-cooked into traditional sweet soups or desserts, where it takes on a soft, jelly-like texture. It can also be added to teas and stews for a subtle collagen-boosting effect. For those seeking a plant-based collagen ally that also aligns with the principles of TCM, peach gum offers a unique, natural pathway to skin resilience and hormonal harmony. Number 4. Jujube. Jujube, also known as Chinese red date, holds a special place in traditional Chinese medicine. It is cherished for its ability to calm the mind, improve sleep, nourish the blood, and enhance digestive function. TCM practitioners often prescribe jujube to those who suffer from fatigue, poor appetite, or restless sleep, conditions that subtly erode health and collagen reserves over time. Nutritionally, jujube is rich in vitamin C, saponins, and flavonoids that directly support skin repair, reduce inflammation, and aid collagen formation. But perhaps jujube's most overlooked power lies in its ability to improve sleep quality. Deep, restorative sleep is when the body naturally produces and repairs collagen. Poor sleep accelerates aging and disrupts hormonal balance. By supporting better sleep through its calming compounds, jujube indirectly strengthens the body's collagen and hormonal health. Jujube is commonly enjoyed as a dried snack, infused into herbal teas, or simmered in nourishing soups. Its natural sweetness makes it a comforting, daily addition to anti-aging routines. For those struggling with disrupted sleep, premature skin aging, or hormonal imbalances, jujube offers a sweet, holistic solution that soothes the nervous system while gently rebuilding the skin's foundation. Number 5. Lychee. In TCM, lychee is praised for its ability to replenish qi, vital energy, promote healthy blood circulation, and nourish the skin. It's considered a yang-supporting fruit that gently warms the body and boosts internal vitality. Lychee is especially rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, as well as polyphenol and oligonol, a unique antioxidant known to improve skin texture, increase circulation, and even support hormonal balance. This combination makes lychee particularly valuable for supporting collagen production while also balancing hormones that influence skin clarity, energy levels, and metabolic health. Modern research suggests oligonol may have a mild regulatory effect on insulin and reproductive hormones, offering additional layers of benefit for aging adults. Fresh lychee can be enjoyed on its own, blended into smoothies, or incorporated into light, refreshing desserts. Its sweet, floral flavor makes it one of the most enjoyable collagen-supporting fruits available. By promoting better circulation and skin hydration, lychee doesn't just help rebuild collagen. It gives the skin a radiant, glowing appearance from within, all while gently supporting hormonal harmony. Why eating whole fruits beats collagen supplements? Many people turn to collagen powders, pills, and trendy drinks in hopes of preserving their skin and joints. But what most don't realize is that the real power to support collagen doesn't come in a bottle. It comes from real, whole foods, especially fruits. When collagen supplements are consumed, the body breaks them down into amino acids. These amino acids are then used for whatever the body needs most, not necessarily to rebuild skin or joints. It's not a direct delivery system like many assume. Whole fruits, on the other hand, offer a complete package. They provide not just the building blocks for collagen, but also the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that the body needs to absorb and use those building blocks effectively. Vitamin C from fruits like lychee and goji berries actively stimulates collagen production. Polysaccharides from peach gum help retain skin moisture. The antioxidants in figs and jujube reduce inflammation and protect hormones from oxidative stress. Fruits also support digestion, which is critical for nutrient absorption. Collagen pills don't offer this benefit. Plus, Whole fruits carry a significantly lower risk of contamination, additives, or unwanted fillers that are sometimes found in low-quality supplements. Most importantly, the fruits celebrated in traditional Chinese medicine don't just focus on skin. They address the body's broader ecosystem. They nourish the organs, calm the nervous system, and gently support hormonal balance. The bottom line? While supplements may have a place for some, fruits deliver a more holistic, safer, and delicious pathway to supporting collagen naturally. They don't just work on the surface. They support your body's ability to rebuild and protect itself from the inside out. Daily habits to maximize collagen and hormone health. Building collagen and balancing hormones is not about strict routines. It's about creating small, sustainable habits that nourish the body every day. Start simple. Add collagen-friendly fruits to your breakfast. Goji berries can be sprinkled over oatmeal or blended into morning smoothies. Fresh lychee pairs beautifully with yogurt, adding sweetness and a dose of skin-supporting vitamin C. Dried jujube can be steeped into warm herbal tea to sip throughout the day. For afternoon snacks, consider a small bowl of figs, fresh when in season or dried when not. They not only satisfy cravings, but gently support digestion and hormonal health. Peach gum is a special addition that can turn dessert into medicine. After soaking peach gum overnight, it can be simmered into a sweet soup with goji berries and jujube for a collagen-boosting evening treat. This dessert is both soothing and nourishing, a true example of how traditional Chinese medicine weaves healing into everyday life. But it's not just about food. To truly maximize collagen production, sleep hygiene must be a priority. Going to bed at consistent times, avoiding screens before sleep, and exposing yourself to morning sunlight can dramatically improve hormone regulation and collagen repair overnight. Gentle daily movement like walking, stretching, or Tai Chi helps stimulate circulation, bringing nutrients to the skin and joints while supporting hormone balance. And perhaps most importantly, managing stress is essential. Chronic stress speeds up collagen breakdown and throws hormones into disarray. Building moments of calm through breathing exercises, tea rituals, or quiet outdoor walks helps the body stay in balance. These daily habits don't require perfection. They only need consistency. Small, enjoyable changes can unlock big rewards for your skin, your hormones, and your long-term health. True longevity isn't built in sudden, sweeping changes. It's created through small, mindful choices made every day. What you eat, how you move, how you rest, and how you care for your body. Choosing natural, whole fruits over processed supplements is one of those choices. Prioritizing daily movement and steady, restful sleep is another. Each of these simple decisions helps preserve collagen, support hormone health, and protect the energy and vitality that make life rich and full. Traditional Chinese medicine has long taught that prevention is the most powerful medicine. Modern science now agrees. By weaving collagen-supporting fruits and healthful habits into your routine, you're not just investing in smoother skin. You're building the foundation for a longer, stronger, and more independent life. When it comes to aging well, you don't need drastic measures. You need small, meaningful actions that you can sustain, and those start right at your next meal. The journey to vibrant skin, balanced hormones, and graceful aging doesn't begin in a supplement aisle. It begins in your kitchen, your fruit basket, and your daily habits. Collagen and hormone health are not out of reach, nor are they reserved for the lucky few. They can be supported naturally, deliciously, and sustainably through the simple power of whole fruits and mindful living. Choose wisely, eat generously, move gently, rest deeply, and most importantly, trust that your body has an incredible ability to repair and renew itself, especially when you nourish it with what it's been waiting for all along.